In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Google Pixel 8a. This guide will take you through the initial setup, customization of settings and exploration of features to enhance your experience with the device. Begin power on your Google Pixel 8a by pressing and holding the power button until the Google logo appears on the screen. Once the device is on, follow the on-screen instructions that guide you through the setup process. You will need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, so select your network from the list and enter the password if prompted. Signing in with your Google account is the next step, which allows you to access various services and applications. If you wish to transfer data from your previous device, the Setup Wizard will provide options to facilitate this process. After completing the initial setup, take some time to familiarize yourself with the navigation gestures and basic functions of the Pixel 8a. Understanding how to navigate through your device will enhance your user experience. Ensuring proper setup is crucial, as it allows you to access all features seamlessly. Missing critical steps during first-time use can lead to confusion and hinder your ability to utilize the device effectively. Next, open the Settings app by locating the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. In the Settings menu, you can adjust various preferences such as display settings, notifications, and privacy options. Explore features like dark mode, which changes the screen to a darker theme, and night light, which reduces blue light emitted by the screen. Additionally, configure fingerprint or face unlock for enhanced security, making it easier to access your device while keeping your information safe. Understanding the settings available on your Pixel 8a ensures a personalized experience tailored to your preferences. Make adjustments gradually to optimize your device for comfort and efficiency. Proper customization can significantly improve usability and enjoyment, allowing you to make the most out of your smartphone. After customizing your settings, it is time to explore the features of your new device. Test the camera by taking photos and videos and interact with Google Assistant to discover its capabilities. Download additional apps from the Play Store to expand the functionality of your Pixel 8a. Additionally, explore features such as Live Translate, digital well-being tools, and accessibility options. Regularly updating your device will ensure you have access to the latest software improvements and security enhancements, maximizing your productivity and enjoyment with the Pixel 8a. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.